Our services are broken down into different sections. So this is our advisory offering. So this is where we really believe we can add value to your business. This is also what stands us apart from other traditional accountants in the industry. What we love to have in there is catch-up. So whether that's a monthly or quarterly catch-up, you can choose. We have some clients who will need help tidying up their accounts or tidying up the bookkeeping. There's no point paying someone top fees to do that work. So we'd probably put you in touch with one of our digital accountants or one of our financial controllers who can help support and tidy that up for you at a lesser fee. But if you want to go up to working with a finance director on that work and holding a meeting, then you'll be priced accordingly. The minimum we like to have is quarterly catch-ups, quarterly touch points, just to say, look, how's the business going? How can we support you? And even potentially might be having strategic meetings in there. So we might be saying, look, let's review your sales system, let's review your cost, let's review your automations and support you and your business to grow. Another service we ask to be in there is a pre-year-end tax planning meeting. So we're going to be looking at we're going to be take some time, review the business as a whole and say, look, what are they doing now and what could they be doing better? Where's the opportunities to reduce that tax bill? Where's the opportunities to put personal expenses that you're paying out of your own bank, out of taxed money, through the business tax efficiently? We don't just look at the business side of things, we also look at you personally and we're saying, look, what is your family situation? What's your family income? So we're looking at the bigger picture to say, once the company's made that money and it's operated as tax efficiently as possible, how can you and your family extract that money and get that into your back pockets? So that's where we're talking about the pre-year-end tax planning review and also the remuneration meetings. R&D has been a hot topic for the last few years in the accounting industry and a great support for those businesses investing in research and development to get something back, essentially. And so we will work with you, specialist consultant, to optimise that reclaim to recover as much money as possible. The management accounts is another one of our favoured services. So why do you want to be looking at a set of accounts once a year, 6 months, 9 months after the year end? Where's the value for you there? So we're working with clients who want monthly or quarterly management accounts to say, this is how my company's performing, this is what's gone well in that month or that quarter, this is what hasn't gone well, and then you can make informed decisions on the back of them. The management accounts are tracking against things like KPIs, we're tracking against budgets. So the things that you've set that are key to your business, and we're making sure you stick to them. Another popular service is our forecasts and budgets. So we're going to set you a budget at the start of the year. Then some businesses, a budget isn't enough to be able to guide their business. They need to know their cash flow. So we'll take that budget information and convert it into a three-way cash flow. So we're looking at the profit and loss and how we're expecting that to perform across a year. The balance sheet to see how that's going to track across the year, and then obviously a key thing for lots of businesses is the cash. So we're going to see how the cash is trending based on that performance, and then it's looking at it and saying, okay, this is how it's doing based now. If we could reduce our debtor days, if we can get our money in quicker, how will that impact it? So we're looking at, it's not just looking backwards, it's looking forward